Ang word na fragrance sa products ninyo ay hindi lang isa, dalawa, o tatlong chemicals, but it's actually composed of hundreds of chemicals na hindi natin alam. This is Chemist Otan and welcome to my new series called What's on Your Favorite Skincare Product? Today, pag-uusapan natin ng fragrances in skincare. Fragrances are mostly made from volatile organic compounds. Para magkaroon ng distinct scent ang isang fragrance, pinaghahalo ang different compounds at different concentrations. So yes, the word fragrance lang ang makikita sa products natin, but it can legally represent over 50 to 100 chemicals and minsan meron pa nga umaabot ng 1,000. The FDA allows this kasi una, masyado mapapahaba yung ingredients list kapag sinama yung composition ng fragrance. And pangalawa, for trade secret protection. Yung mixture ng certain scent is considered a trade secret of a company or a brand. So para maiwasan yung paggaya o kaya yung pag-fake sa mga to, napayagan ni FDA na ang word na fragrance lang ang ilagay. So paano naman yung mga dupe o kaya yung mga gaya-gaya? Paano nila na-figure out gayahin kung secret pala yung recipe? Well, a chemist or perfumer can reverse engineer a fragrance composition by using instruments such as GCMS. GCMS is used to separate and quantify these compounds. However, it will not be a perfect copy dahil sa limitation ng instrument. And ang mga professional perfumers naman can adjust it further to achieve the intended scent. Pero again, of course, may limitations pa rin. Kaya nga, although it's a dupe or fake, hindi pa rin talaga siya kasing amoy ng totoong fragrance or yung original. So, if you were wondering kung ano yung fragrance sa mga skincare products mo o kaya sa mga perfumes mo, now you know.